Hey everyone, how's it going? Mike and I done the unthinkable and what we thought at one point was potentially the impossible. We hit 2,000 followers on Mountney. We achieved our target, we achieved our goal, which means I'm going to America. Everybody who has helped support, follow, listen, has chipped in. You guys have absolutely smashed it and you've helped us hugely, and you've helped Mountney achieve 2,000, and you've helped Mike and I achieve a dream that we've been working for since, you know, I joined the podcast. So to everyone who has liked, followed Mountney, helped supported them, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you all so much. So with that being said, I'm going to jump in the meeting with Dan and Mike, and let's figure out where this trip's going to end up.
Say more, baby.
I can't believe. So, there's been a lot of discussions through the meeting. Mike and Dan have had some awesome ideas. We've got a good plan in place, I believe, and we're really looking forward to making this content for you all. So, we are currently just waiting for the applications to go through the Overcrest Rally. Hopefully they come through within the first week of August. I think that's what Mike said. So potentially we should be accepted. We've got a cool story. We've got Mike, who's already had experience on the rally prior. So yeah, things are looking good. Things are looking great. Meeting went well. Meeting went very well, in fact. So Dan, thank you very much. Mike, thanks for the piss taking as always. I'm not down the unit. I'm down a different unit at the moment currently. I'm actually visiting Richard. He's currently being an archaeologist and digging out one of his old cars. So we're gonna eventually catch up with him, and also Bert, I think, is with him as well. Evening, chaps.
Hello.
Good to see you guys again.
Nice of you to join us.
Yes, sorry. Hello, Richard. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks. Where we at? What's going on with this?
We volunteered you to get underneath it while we lift it,
Why me?
because you're expendable. Unless you want to lift.
I like how you guys are saying this with a straight face. I mean, what's going on?
What? We're dead serious.
Under this?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Does it look like I'm lying?
I'll get underneath it.
You haven't got to get on.
I need you to take out so it stands out. Just concentrate.
That's my nipple. Rich, I feel like we've been here before.
When's that?
With the Mini, when we were doing the subframe and axle stands and putting it on the blocks of wood.
What's your point?
I'm just history repeating itself.
Okay.
Oh look, block of wood.
So you found here beverage.
You have beverages.
They're not cold, unfortunately, but.
Oh, you can't have a warm beer. Oh, thank you very much, Squire.
Right.
Cheers all.
Charles.
Chinny, chin, chin.
Good morning, everybody. How are we all? My phone died the other night over at Richard's unit, so I didn't get to finish recording up there. There's not much planned for today. We're gonna have a mooch day. We're gonna chill out. We're gonna have a day of doing tinkering and all sorts. So I do, however, have some posts, and I've got a funny suspicion I know exactly who it's from. So let's dive into that. Let's do it.
Who is this from? Oh, we got a note as well. Fancy that.
Fancy that. Hi Shaun, just wanted to drop a couple of show stickers in the post to you. We had an amazing show and raised a huge amount of money for the charities. Pity you weren't able to make it, but we'll have to come on to the pod to chat about it. Thanks for all the support. Chat soon. Ian, thank you very much, Ian. And he's dropped me a couple of the, I don't know how well you guys can see there, but the Bertie's, Jack and Bertie's car show stickers. So Ian, thank you very much, my man. I appreciate that. I can't wait to get that on the car. Right, second envelope. Oh my god. Damn. Oh, Ian, you have been busy, my man. Couple more Jack and Bertie's car show stickers, Cooper S Traveller, and probably one of my favourite stickers of all time, actually. This is cool. Ian, thank you very much. I can't wait to take some of these out to the States with me and just plaster the US with them. Mike, I'm going to give you a few of these. And yeah, Ian, thank you very much, my man. Appreciate that.
Okay, there is one more, and I did actually treat myself. As a lot of you guys know, I am well into my rallycross, and I found something on eBay, and I couldn't say no. I've been so excited for this. I love my old adverts, like the classic car magazines. I don't know, there's just something cool about them, like that whole nostalgia, that whole period. People's creativity was on point, and yeah, I saw this and I couldn't really say no. Oh damn, that is so cool. It's basically like filler, but with a rallycross advert. So yeah, that's pretty sick. I mean, I know it's been cut out of a magazine, but I can't wait to get that framed up with all the other rallycross memorabilia that I've got. So yeah, eBay has come up trumps with that find. Absolute result. Can't wait to get it hanging on the wall.
Speaking of artwork, I picked this up when I went to Monaco at Christmas. We found this really cool print shop, and digging through some of the prints that they'd done, I came across this moke with this lady and all of the dogs. I had to have it. I had to have it. There's just one thing about being a petrol head, and if you haven't got car art hanging up on your walls, or, you know, photographs of motorsport events and stuff, can you really class yourself as a petrol head? Mike, have you got anything like this hanging up on your wall? You guys have got to hit up Sam. He's such a great artist, a really cool guy, and he digitally creates all of his artwork, and he's just absolutely phenomenal at what he does. So Sam, thank you very much again. I will post the link in the description where you can buy Sam's artwork. It is so worth it for your home. Oh, the weather's not looking that great today. We need to go down the unit, which is like somewhere over there. So let's pack the car and let's head on down and go catch up with the Mini in the unit. Oh my god, it is a sweat box in here. Guys, we have been busy down the unit. Yeah, subframe's pretty much stripped. I'm just trying to get the donuts out, so I'm gonna have to take these little bottom arms out, and yeah, they should be soon off. Yeah, they'll be soon ready to be cleaned up and hopefully freshly painted. Engine is tucked away, and yeah, I might have to clean this up. I don't think I'll put the sump plug on all the way in, but engine's here, nestled in nicely, so hopefully that can soon be sent away and do what needs to be done on it. I don't understand why these run so hot all the time. Granted, it was a spirited run, But the fan goes on for bloody forever. I'm trying to vlog. We got too involved with workshop stuff. I just want to thank Richard. He knows I'm going on this trip to America, and he gave me this really cool vintage suitcase set. That's potentially, he says, potentially, as I was saying, I could use for some sign writing stuff. It's like a little Russian doll type suitcase. It's really, really cool. So, Richard, thank you very much, my man. Maybe I'll paint the Mini Life logo on. Maybe I'll paint something else on it. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Let's come up with some ideas and figure out something that I can do with the case. Maybe I'll take it out to America with me instead of you know, your typical sort of standard carry case. I think the plan is to take the rubber donuts out, take the high-lows out, and then yeah, let's sort of see where the day takes us. I've got to show you this, guys. I got given a really cool old high-low kit from a really good friend, and it's actually Sykes Pickavant Limited, if anyone knows who they are. I probably said that very wrong and I've absolutely butchered the name. But yeah, I couldn't find my new tool, so I've had to use it on the subframe that I've got at the moment. Anyway, enough Anaraki geeky stuff. Let's start tearing this down and getting it one step closer to IMM for next year. Well, we got one side out. It's actually not looking overly bad inside. She's quite a clean original subframe. I don't know how. I guess all the grease and the oil, and there's a lot of mud inside. So I guess that's probably saved it throughout the years. I'm not looking forward to this side, however, purely because that's where the radiator leaked. So I think that's going to be a bit of a faff. I'm going to be such an anorak here. I guess one of the coolest things about a Mini is there's a lot of motorsport history and heritage in between, as you guys all know, or hopefully already know. There's a really cool thing about these high-lows, and I think it's on every single high-low now. There's a guy who was very big into rallycross 70s and 80s, and he's definitely one of my most influential people in my life. His name was Keith Ripp. I'm sure some of the older people who are watching these vlogs will know of that name or have heard of that name. He used to run a company called Rip Speed International before he got sold to Halford, I might add. And he bought the rights to the high-lows basically. So what you will find is somewhere on there it will say, come on, focus. It will say Rip Speed International. Yeah, I just thought that's a really cool Anaraki, geeky bit of useless information for everyone. All right, for once, being a dumb smart actually helped. I actually have left these bolts to soak in WD-40 for the past few days, and they are just coming off absolutely lovely. So don't forget, lubricate your nuts. Cool, apart from the bump stops and the brake line, everything else is off. It's actually in really good condition. I'm pretty damn stoked at how clean this actually is. I know there's like surface rust on it, but in terms of holes and whatnot, there is nothing wrong with this. So I reckon a good pressure wash and fresh paint would actually make a world of difference. And yeah, I'm stoked. It's nice to make small little progress. Little chips away here and there is going to add up and make all the difference. So that's one side, and then that's the other side. Whew. I'm taking that as a win and a great bit of success. I wasn't going to really do much down here today. I was just going to tinker around, potter around a bit, and just make some small progress. I'm stoked. This is going to be a cool project. I reckon if progress carries on like this, potentially, Mike, IMM, we might be in the Outlaw. Fingers crossed, eh?